Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in.
If you're watching this video, that means God is saying to you, you are gonna be okay. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but one day she's over.
That you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, girl, the bitch ain't happy, girl. The bitch is going, girl, as always, girl. And I just came here, girl, to just say, like, I don't know, girl, why I came here, girl, but I'm here, girl, so what you trying to do, girl? Okay, I'm joking. Anyway, today I'm not happy. As you can see, my mood is really, really down. Just woke up, wrinkles, as always. I don't know why I have wrinkles, though. I really don't know, because I slept. Because I slept. Chinese eyes. Anyway, things have been a mess in my life. And I just thought, ugh, bitch, remember that your channel, it's all about, not all about, but most of the things that I do is like relatability things. Like things that people can like relate to. Because I don't know anybody like me, anyway, in the fucking YouTube space, everybody seems like they got shit together, girl. And I don't know anybody that knows how to come to YouTube and just talk about how is it like to just be black, young and gay and invisible and suffering from like traumas and like, you know, mental health issues and nightmares and those kind of fucked up shit, those kind of things. I don't know anybody that does that. So I'm just gonna come here and hope that you guys see yourselves in me, so that you can know just that you're not alone in anything. Especially I don't want to film this video. I just want to be all by myself and bitch eat. I can't even afford ice cream at this point. I ain't got money, girl. And just come here and see me just share a little bit of my life with you guys. And it hurts me because some of the people that watch my channel are not people that actually like me. The haters that hate me. But you know, this light is too much, guys. This sunshine is too much. But girl, look at my nail polish, girl. Look at my nail polish. I removed it because I was so sad. I don't even have nails. You have to fight in life. So anyway, this video is gonna be me going to the beach and just trying to breathe because a lot has happened. I just lost. I don't even know if. As in, we're gonna talk about everything when we get there. So right now, let's just vlog it out and go take a shower and then come back and check if I have money to get a taxi to Terminus and then from Terminus to the beach. And then yeah, we're gonna do that, girl. So sit back and relax, girl. Sit back and relax. Do you wanna see me twerk? Do you wanna see me twerk? Wait, let me twerk for you. But the mirror is dirty. Can you? I don't support ANC. I don't support any. You can't see me twerk, but I wanna hide the mirror though. I don't want you to see the mirror. It's put your head on my shoulder, baby. Anyway, let me hide the mirror, cause yeah, let's go shower. Let's go shower. My room is literally the worst. Like peanut butter, Colgate, bottle of water. What's this? My student. Wait, what's that? What the fuck is that? Oh, girl. See shoes, Bibles and books, and somebody please marry me. Somebody please marry me. I turned 21. I didn't tell you guys. Did I throw away the balloons? No. Why? Because they're expensive as fuck. So yeah. Ew, see you guys see my room. My room is like literally not even cute. Nothing say universe. Oh, hey, bitch! The fuck is wrong with you? Bitch! Look at this cuteness. Look at this. Look at this. Hey, yo. Hey, baby, what's up? What's up? You good? You good? Nah, man, I'm good, man. Just trying to get this guap, man. You know, just trying to get this guap, man. Yo, bro, like, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? Bitch, I can act anything. I swear to God. I can act anything. Give me a prostitute, I'm acting. What the fuck is that? This dress is weird as fuck. What the fuck? Do you believe in ghosts? I do. What if I'm a ghost? Ooh. Ghost. Welcome from a ghost. Welcome from a ghost. Ah, look at the yacht. I don't fire, girl. I don't fire. Hello! My name is Gqeberha. I'm cute, right? Bitch, you know I'm cute. No, I'm cute. Ah, this doesn't want to show. I'm gonna put it. It's all, girl. Okay, girl, I'm about getting naked, girl. I'm about getting naked. Y'all about to see my yash, girl. Wait, let me place this camera. I swear to God, if it falls, I'm literally gonna fall too. Cause, yeah. Stop talking about my YouTube. Oh, yeah, bah. Yeah, bah. Yeah, bah. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Alright. The fuck is wrong with you? The fuck? You gonna knock me off, bitch? I'm gonna fuck you up, bitch. The fuck? I almost died. Let's get naked. Wait, let me move this. Let's get naked. Put your head on my shoulder, baby. Wait, why is those in a coat? Wait, is it hot? Okay, bitch, I don't know, girl. I don't know, girl. Put your head on. It doesn't have a tag. Bitch, how old is this shirt? Okay, let me just take this down. I'm about to take off my. Ooh! Ooh! Girl, you got me there, girl. Wait, let me take off my. Let me take off my. I hope this is not uncomfortable for you. Me being naked in the shower. You know what I mean. But we're taking everything off, honey. Yeah. Bitch, I'm a clown. I'm a clown, girl. I'm a clown. Yes, let's shower. Wait, what song are we singing first? Oh, look at the steam, girl. Look at the steam, girl. Ooh. Oh, we can do girls. You know Dream Girls, right? What is the name of the song? You were supposed to love me. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, there you are, Effie. You've been getting mad all the time. You've been mean, you've been mad and getting fat all the time. I tried. Wait, bitch, I don't know the lyrics, girl. Bitch. Wait, let me see the I don't remember the song, but I remember step into the bed side. Step into the bed side. Step into the bed. Bang. Step into the bed side. 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 Copyright. Yo, I forgot. Let me shower. Let me just shower. You know, let me just shower. Bitch. The bitch. You guys are gonna see my back lamp. Purple, cause I like purple. Life boy. Get into it. Get into it. Bitch, get into it. Girl, get into it. The fuck? That's my best friend. Bitch, I don't know who this fuck. I ain't got no best friend. Wait. I said to say. Like a song. Hinge and John. I don't even listen to my piano, but that song is so good. Girl, it's who got such a job. Hallelujah. Who's Satanic? Who is super? Wait, anyway, let me just shower. Oh, this one feels good, honey. Oh, yeah, get into it. My busted lip. Guys, imagine me and like my boyfriend in the shower, showering together. I'd be like, why are you doing that? No, baby. You're bored. What? Stop pushing me. Come on. Baby, Soga. What the fuck is wrong with you? Soga. Ow. That's a part. I'm probably the most weirdest YouTuber ever. Who films themselves taking a shower? Who does that? I do, bitch. Me taking the shower, bro. That's a part. I'm probably the most weirdest YouTuber ever. Who films themselves taking a shower? Who does that? I do this. Okay, I'm done taking the shower, bro. I'm so weird. My boobs won't play. My boobs won't play. My boobs. Hey, you can see my boobs. You can see my boobs, right? You can see my boobs. You can see my boobs. You can see my boobs. Okay, cool. You can see my boobs. Anyway, let me start talking to myself and get this over with. Face closed, motherfucker. Look at how cute this cute ball look. Hello, Unjani, I feel okay. That's so cute. Oh, thank you. Fashion shows, fancy clothes. I'm actually gonna leave my room dirty because I ain't gonna clean. Yeah, girl, I'm gonna clean when I come back. So yeah, I'm done. I got my little, first showing the boobs. Hello, hi, how are you? I'm fine. Where are we going? To the beach. Ah, the girls are out to play today. Anyway, I'ma see you guys at the beach. Let's go. I don't even think I should go. Do I even want to go there? What if I go there and then I meet somebody? Someone that's just there. It's gonna make me worse. Like homophobic people or something. Women love to the same song. But I haven't went to the beach in a long time. As in, the beach we going. Same song. Let's just go. What time is it? Yeah? I almost wrote 88. 36,3. I hope it's 36,3. 36,1. Girl, whatever. Okay, let me go. Oh, daddy. One thing about PE, it's windy, like fucked up windy. But still look like Beyonce though. Sabawad. Oh, that looks so cute. Goes, my daughter. I have arrived at the beach and I'm about to go relax. Hey Beyonce.
On my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight.
Cute little couple. Hello. I just arrived at the place. It looks so dope. Look at the sun. The sun just said, I'm out today. Let's go. Take a walk. I'm gonna swim later. I'm not gonna swim now. I'm gonna swim later. Now I just wanna breathe. I just wanna breathe, bitch. God, they're so cute. Ooh, that's nice. Guys, this is literally like, it's so hot. Do you guys realize how the world just moves? Like, even if something bad happens, the world just, this bitch just keeps spinning. It just keeps spinning. It's so cute. Ugh. I'm glad I came here actually. Baby. Is the water that we use in our bodies? How pretty is the sky when it's quiet and the desert. It looks like the desert. Yo! Crossy.
Yeah, bruh, come on. I trust you. And, bruh, like, I want to tell you something, ne? At times, whenever I'm feeling low and whenever I'm procrastinating or whatever, like, speaking to friends, especially friends like you, like, in my life, you're one of those friends who I put on top, like, in terms of inspiration. Like, the way you're serious about your studies, the way you focus on yourself, the way you love yourself, you appreciate yourself, and you work on building yourself. It's highly inspiring. And I know, Donna, like, you got this. And, you know, if you believe in yourself, there's nobody who's gonna stop you. That's on facts. That's on facts, bruh. And one last thing, like, you know what? This academic stuff is stressful, but nakanjani sophasa ngenkani yamanyufu.
There's a line in Shakespeare, I don't remember which play, and it says, "Nothing is either good or bad, but thinking makes it so." There's a very important lesson here. An essential part of spiritual awakening, or we could call it the awakening of consciousness, is to learn to become aware of the difference between the situation that you find yourself in and what your mind says about the situation that you find yourself in, particularly challenging situations. Now, all these things that many of you are experiencing now would conventionally, normally be called bad. And yes, I suppose on a conventional level they are not pleasant. So what does it mean? What does Shakespeare mean when he says, "Nothing is either good or bad, but thinking makes it so"? So a very essential spiritual lesson is to be able to differentiate between a situation that you are experiencing and your mental commentary about the situation that you're experiencing. The thoughts that you have concerning the situation that you're experiencing.
Ooh. Hello. I'm walking backwards like a penguin, like a penguin, like a peanut, like a peanut, like a peanut. Yeah. I'm literally just gonna sit here. Hello. What? What's that called?
Because they never learn to differentiate between situations they find themselves in and that which the mind adds to the situation. So they experience the situation through the narrative of the mind. How would I experience this moment if I refrained from interpreting it, calling it either good or bad? Okay, now this question doesn't have an answer on a conceptual level. This question directs your attention into the present moment, the aliveness of the present moment. So this is perhaps one of the most or the most fundamental spiritual practice, is to be able to separate the narrative from the situation.
Okay. My phone is gonna die. So I'm just gonna say bye. Ooh, that's a good laugh. My phone's gonna die. So I think I'll just say bye. Boobs, boobs, boobs. Bye. Obviously my phone died. Obviously it died. But anyway, I just got back to Riz. And I didn't even get to swim, if anything. I just spent the whole day just walking and just looking at the water, but I did get time to like sit down and read. Yeah, and I feel much better. So I hope with this video you didn't only laugh, but you only saw that it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, girl. You know, there's always gonna be fucked up shit, but what you gotta do is just find time for yourself. Even if you're in a relationship, even if you have friends and whatever, find time to just sit down with yourself. I feel like that's the best. That's when you really get time to reflect and just check the things that happened in your life and how you can better those kind of things. I'm still a work in progress. It probably might take me a long time for me to finally be okay from like everything that's happening and how my brain works and how I see things and how I understand things. It's probably gonna take me like a long time. But one thing that I'm happy about is that I ain't suicidal no more. I beat that shit up. So right now, whenever I go through shit, I don't have those like thoughts, those scary thoughts. I don't have that anymore, thanks to NMU counseling sessions. But yeah, let's just stop existing and just start living. You know, when you're existing, you don't even enjoy anything. It's just you being here. But yeah, let's just start living. Every day, just do something that makes you happy, girl. Probably gonna post another video, a part 2 of this vlog tomorrow, because now it's dark. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope you guys are okay. If you're watching this video, that means God is saying to you, you are gonna be okay. It might not be today, it might not be tomorrow, but one day, sizo boba. Alright? Be grand, be nice. Is that Beyonce? Wait, that looks like Beyonce. Oh no, it's just me. Bye. Hope you're loving yourself as you should.